Hey guys, today we're going to recharge the AC on this 2009 Ford Focus. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and comment below? It really helps me out. So the first thing we're going to do here is just start the vehicle. And then we're going to turn on max AC. Turn your cold knob all the way to the coldest setting. And turn the fan all the way on high. Alright, pop the hood. Come under the hood here. This right here is your low pressure port for your AC. Put this cap somewhere, you're not going to lose it. Grab your AC tool here and just pop it on there like that. And you're going to look at your dial here. So this is filled pretty good already. We'll add a little bit just because to top it off. So you'll squeeze the trigger and oscillate the can here between 3 and 12. And this is doing exactly what you want. You want to see that needle right there in the green. And if you're low, what you'll see is the needle coming down here when the compressor kicks on. If it does, if you're full enough to kick on, it'll suck the needle down to a certain point, and then the compressor will shut off and the needle will pop back up. And then the needle, or the compressor kicks on, the needle moves back down. So you just want to get it until it's running steady, just like that. To where it's not moving, it's just sitting in that spot like that. So if this video is helpful, hit that thumbs up button, comment below. It really helps me out. I'm going to have some Amazon links in the description below where you can get a recharge hose and refrigerant and stuff. If you want to check those out, you can. And thanks for watching and have a good one.